The USA and Canada, two neighboring countries that share a long border but have very different lifestyles, economies, and military power. The USA is known as the land of opportunity, home to Wall Street, Silicon Valley, and Hollywood. Canada, on the other hand, is famous for its peaceful cities, universal healthcare, and stunning landscapes. But which country is actually better to live in? Let's break it all down and compare them in three key areas: economy, quality of life, and military strength. Like and subscribe if you enjoy comparison videos like this. Let's start with the economy. The USA has the largest economy in the world, with a GDP of nearly $27 trillion. Canada's GDP is only $2 trillion, which is even smaller than just California. Key economic stats. GDP per capita, $80,000, USA, versus $52,000, Canada. Unemployment rate, 3.7%, USA, versus 5.7%, Canada. Major industries. USA, tech, Apple, Microsoft, finance, Wall Street, manufacturing, defense. Canada, natural resources, oil, mining, timber, agriculture, tech startups. Challenges for the USA. High income inequality, the rich are getting richer, while the poor struggle. Higher national debt, over 123% of GDP. Expensive education and healthcare create financial burdens. Strengths of Canada. More economic stability and stronger social safety nets. Better wealth distribution, fewer extreme rich and poor gaps. Conclusion: the USA has more economic power and higher salaries, but Canada offers greater stability and fairness in wealth distribution. Living standards. Now, let's talk about everyday life. Quality of life stats. Life expectancy, 82 years, Canada, versus 77 years, USA. Crime rate, Canada has 3x lower violent crime rates than the USA. Healthcare. Canada, free, government-funded healthcare. USA, private healthcare, very expensive without insurance. But the USA has advantages too. Higher salaries and lower taxes than Canada. Bigger job market with more high-paying industries. Cost of living comparison. Housing, expensive in both, but Toronto and Vancouver are among the most unaffordable cities in the world. Food and essentials, generally cheaper in the USA due to mass production. Conclusion: Canada wins in safety, healthcare, and longevity, while the USA offers higher salaries and more job opportunities. Military power. The USA is the most powerful military in the world, while Canada takes a very different approach. US military facts. Budget, $850 billion, more than the next 10 countries combined. 1.4 million active troops, 800,000 in reserves. 13,000 aircraft, 6,000 plus tanks, 5,200 nuclear warheads. 800 plus military bases worldwide. Canada's military approach. Budget, only $26 billion. 68,000 active soldiers, 27,000 in reserves. Focus on peacekeeping and NATO alliances, rather than offensive power. Conclusion: the USA is the undisputed military leader, while Canada focuses on peace and diplomacy. Political differences. Another key difference is politics. The USA and Canada have different political systems that impact their citizens' lives. The USA, two-party system, Democrats and Republicans, often leads to extreme division. Canada, multi-party system allows for more balance and cooperation. Government and laws. Gun control. The USA has more guns than people, while Canada has stricter gun laws and lower gun violence. Social policies. Canada provides free college in some provinces, paid parental leave, and better labor laws. Conclusion: Canada has stronger social safety nets, while the USA offers more personal freedoms but also more risks. Final verdict. So, who wins? Winners by category. Economy, USA, larger GDP, higher salaries. Living standards, Canada, better healthcare, safety, and longevity. Military power, USA, strongest in the world. Politic and social policies, Canada, more stability and social benefits. It really depends on your priorities. If you want high salaries, business opportunities, and global influence, go for the USA. If you prefer safety, free healthcare, and a more peaceful life, Canada might be the better choice. Comment below, where would you rather live, the USA or Canada? Subscribe for more deep dive comparisons. Check out our other videos on the channel, you'll love them. Like the video to support us. See you in the next one.